Michelle's Jeepster is one step closer. Basically the final step. I think the fenders are built. We've got an old face back in the shop here. We got Michelle's Jeepster. So this old Jeepster has come a long ways and it's on its final run right now. We've got a little tiny bit to do to it and then it's off to the body shop to get painted. We'll tear it apart. So we're gonna fix these rear fenders. I've hated them, they've cut them. I've got two other Jeepsters. We're gonna cut the original fenders out, move the lip up and make it look cool. So today's goal is to cut this little line right out of there, move it up, put it back in. So I think we can make it happen, make it look cool. It's gonna take two of them to make one, but we'll get it. We'll go down and get some fender pieces and then we'll start building. So here we go. All right, so I'm gonna send Landon down to the cars. He's gonna go snag one of the old Jeepsters. We'll get to cutting on it.
Okay, I've made the cars. First victim, the white one. We're gonna get it hauled back and start cutting at the rear fenders on it. One Jeepster's loaded. Now we'll just go back to the shop and get her cut. Made her back to the shop with the old Jeepster. Now we'll just get cutting and throw the fenders on this one. We're gonna make it look good. We're gonna make it look like it's proper.
We're ready to rock here. I'm all suited up, putting some safety spectacles on because it's gonna get dicey and we'll go cut. We'll cut this whole thing out and then we're gonna end up cutting it in the middle, widening it out with the other one. It's gonna be a little involved, especially since I'm not a body and fender guy, but here we go. Right there is where she's getting cut off. We'll fix that one. There's one. We'll clean that all up, cut it apart, and make two out of one. So right now you can see how much of this they've actually cut off. They've cut this whole skirt off of it. So we're gonna put it back on, but we're gonna actually put it on up here farther, stretch it so that the front's out here and the back's out here and here, both places. So we'll have to stretch it here and here, both places. It's gonna be a little involved. That's why I say two of these will make one on here. We'll make them. Cut the other one out and then go get another rig and bring it up. All right, so I opened up some mail the other day. Look at this. Someone sent Scout some stuff. There's a thrower deal. I don't know what those are exactly. Like there's Monopoly guy. That's only one box, but wait, there's more. We got Frisbees, throw for him, and Nerf guns that shoot tennis balls.
That's sick.
We probably should get one of those out and try it, don't you think? Let's see what it does.
Doesn't really shoot as fast as I thought.
I know. I thought maybe it'd.
Did it not even shoot? I mean, it works.
It throws them.
Where's Scout at? Scout! There you are. Yeah. Okay, you skirted the ground. All right, you want to play fetch?
I'll play
Scout,
fetch.
you want a ball?
Go get it.
Go to the ball.
Get it. Bring it back. Go get it. Well, there you go. We've got stuff. Thank you. Whoever sent this, there's nothing on it that tells us who sent it. It just came from Pet Fulfillment Center. So whoever did that, thank you. Our pets will enjoy it.
You enjoy it, Scout? Say thanks. Thanks. There we go. High five. There we go.
There's one. One more to go. All right. Take this thing back down and we'll start cutting fenders. We're gonna throw this thing in the air. get the rear coil springs out of it so we can set it on full bump. Should be fairly easy. They just come out. There's one. We're actually putting longer coils in it. There's two. Let's set her on the ground now. See what she looks like. Full squish right there. So we just got to make that fender well fit, which we can do. All right, decided I'm gonna get this old one cut out of there, get it out of my life, and then we'll start dropping new stuff in and get it figured out where it's gonna weld in. Shouldn't be too big a deal here.
Would you like
Jeez.
some Bondo with your
With your
Jeepster?
sheet metal.
Yeah.
I hate Bondo. Alrighty, I believe I am ready to go for this. So we're gonna get this fender leveled up, tacked in place on the top, then we'll section the bottom, make it fit, section this side, make it fit. Bunch of tacking and cutting off and retacking is gonna happen here, but here we go. We are gonna go ahead and start tacking this thing together here. It probably is, that's probably where it needs to be.
Like it?
Well, now I gotta cut all these sections out and add to it. Yee frickin' how. This is the one I cut off of that. We'll have to add that much to it. Go grab me my little tape measure. 4 inches basically. Go to there. Go 4 inches. We should have it.
That looks pretty good. Looks proper.
It's gonna be pretty okay. I need to lose a 1/2 inch. I sloped it the wrong way, but that's pretty close. I gotta cut the bottom, fix the gap, and that's it.
Looks pretty good to me.
And then it actually has a fender well again. Then we gotta cut this and extend it down, drop it and tie it back into there so it looks right. We got lots of welding ahead of us. And then I gotta fix the other side too. Now we just got all this, we gotta grind off. More dust. I knew we'd take this off a couple times and we're still not done. We'll have to take it off again because I gotta build these bottom pieces, but we gotta grind it to build them. That's pretty much the spot. This whole back panel's caved in. We don't get that out before we weld it on. That's up higher. Whoever did this body work before did terrible body work. I mean, it doesn't, a little bit of hammering. And I've got it way closer. We won't weld the gap. We'll weld this. Body guy can fix that. I'm just getting it close today. Thing is, if we don't bend it out before we weld it, you can't get it straight ever. Okay, there's that. Not gonna look decent. Should look right. Let's get the front piece stretched. Not quite enough, but close. Didn't have enough in that one. It's gonna take a double shotter. I gotta cut it off some to get it to there. We can do her. We got this one that'll hook onto there. And we'll tack it, and then we'll cut this one off. That marker right there, buddy. Actually, I'm not gonna do that. That was flared out. I'm gonna cut that one off before it flares. I could roll it forward like that. That might be what I do. Alright. What do you think of that?
Looks good.
That's gonna be pretty alright, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think we can make that work. Now, we'll weld that onto there. Alright, let's see if we can make some stuff fit. And then we just gotta do the same to the back. Then we're winning. We'll have to tap that down in to make that happy, but we can do that. Okay, this should be our piece. That didn't quite line up for some reason. That's not going to be terrible. Can deal with that. Get our piece together. We got one more section to do back here, and then we got it. Full squish. Looks proper. Looks way better with a fender on it.
Yeah, it does.
Cool. Little gap welding. She's good. All right, we're gonna square this off to get rid of that. Okay, now we'll take and put our piece in there that we need. Where it's gonna go.
Do you want it out touching the end of this?
No, I don't want it. It's not square. It needs to go right like that. I'm gonna have to square this up. Oh yeah. Alright, and then I need this. We're gonna cut
That bottom piece out?
to there. Then we'll trim it off flat. Does she fit? Gotta roll this a little.
Looks like it's more proper.
It's getting there. Gotta trim it a little more.
Looks like she fits a lot better now.
She's gonna be in there. We'll make that work. I'll start tacking it in and then we'll trim the rest to fit. Man, there's some big old dents in that. Better.
So you got the majority of it.
That's better. Not good, but better. All right, let's let it down and check it out.
That looks pretty good.
Compare it to the other side. We got that one that's rebuilt, or the factory hackery that doesn't have any. Now the front and the back are gonna be the same.
You might be a body man.
Look at that.
Wow, that looks nice.
I think it's gonna be pretty good.
I didn't even hear you throwing anything.
No, it wasn't bad. We did the crappy side. There's a lot of Bondo right there. Landon had the leaf blower blowing while I was grinding, blowing it out the door, but I don't think I'm gonna weld it on. He's gonna have to take it off to fix this side.
Yeah.
So I think we'll just leave it tacked and he can cut it loose and fix it. But he's got the makings. That's
Hey,
what's
nice.
left of two. to make one.
Like it, Tom?
I do like it. I think it looks so much better without rolled edge. Not a sharp, jaggedy thing.
It looks so much better.
Extra little flare. No, it needed to be done as much as it sucks. Do it right.
Yeah.
Coming together.
Getting there. We're building fenders.
Good body shop.
Oh yeah. At no point do I want to be a body shop, like ever. Grind the bottom side. We're building stuff. I don't know if it's right, but we're building. A little tacking. That's gonna work. Lift this thing up now, Lan. All right. I can tap that in and weld it up, make that transition. And then I gotta tap this. Keep going.
Fender.
We're good. I think the fenders are built. Check that out. No reason to get too crazy finishing them right now, because they're just gonna get sanded and all that. But the gist of them is there. Body guy can get these things handled. We're about there. I think we got this thing pretty much ready to go. Basically, we're to the point where we gotta tear this thing completely apart and take it to the body shop and get this thing handled. So we'll be in touch with them, figure out when we can drop it off, and we'll get it on its way. They can do all the finish work on this. I got the gist of it down. It's good to go. Both fenders look pretty close to equal with each other. She sets level now. Pretty happy with it, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Michelle's Jeepster is one step closer. Basically the final step. It just needs painted now and we put it together. So until next time, thanks for watching.